We gotta take this off, unhook this.
All right, guys, welcome back to episode number 2 of the Blue Truck Restoration. Goal for today is to get the cab taken off. There's a good chunk of stuff that, not a good chunk, pops around through we gotta take off.
We got some electrical we gotta remove. We got clutch, hydraulic clutch master cylinder we gotta pull off. Obviously you got the 4 bolts, the body mounts, and then some minor other connections, AC connection,
And the steering shaft.
and the steering shaft. Yeah, wait till you see that and the mess that is. Hopefully that's about it. We'll have it ready to lift off and do some repairs.
So, goal is to get the cab off, possibly the front core support, depending on where we get at with the cab. Tear down is obviously a little bit more time-lapsey, just because there's not a lot to talk about, and we're kind of just tearing down to get more into the fun stuff. So, sit back, relax, enjoy the show.
Steering shaft. It's hidden.
Oh yeah, let me pull this off. So this is some sort of contraption thing that somebody did. Apparently it works, but it's not that great or safe, so we're gonna have to deconstruct this and then figure out what we're gonna need. You know, once we get everything ready to put back together, we'll have to figure out the steering column and how that all gets put back together.
Alright guys, I think we got everything. We got the throttle cable off, so that's the main one I'm gonna have to watch as we go up with the cab, but I'm pretty sure we've got everything disconnected that needs to be. That can't chill there because the brakes are coming off with it, so need to move this wiring around a little bit, up front more, and yeah, we should be good to go. Pops is warming up the Mini X. Put some straps under this, hook it up, and hopefully pop this puppy off in no time. Okay, let's see if I can heave-ho this puppy out of here. Good frickin' deal. This thing is disgusting. Going over there. And that's her resting place for the time being, right outside the door. So. Okay. Now we're gonna push that back in real quick. We should have done this when we did my truck. This is so much nicer. Should have just done this with mine.
Right?
Look, you like this exhaust hanger? It's not even on the where it clamps.
That's custom. We managed to do that without any damage to anything, seems.
Yep.
So I'd say that was.
She looks like.
If we didn't damage nothing, then we're doing good.
Look, that's probably where your oil leak's coming from. Pinched the gasket.
Yeah. Oh, look at this. That mounts toast.
Good thing you're getting new ones, huh?
Wow, look at that falling apart. Falling apart at the
She's gonna need. Next up is a good old pressure wash.
I'd say those are shot, wouldn't you?
Well, it just disintegrated.
I'd say those are shot.
That's part of it. Right there.
Those are probably the factory originals right there. Well, I'm happy with results. We managed to pull it without damaging the cab or any accessories or anything related to that. So I'd say that was a success. Now we can get in here and clean up the hoses and
probably
the fasts.
pull the wiring off so we can pressure wash everything. I don't have to worry about wiring.
Yep.
And then this whole thing's going to stay intact how it is. Pressure wash everything, and then we'll pull everything off. Try to keep it as minimal to us when we get her cleaned up.
So we've got a leak here.
Yep.
Whole new exhaust.
Which I will be
And then we
making.
got to fix the tappet cover. And
I mean, everything on this motor is going to get re-gasketed or replaced at this point. So custom starter bolt.
Yeah, that's custom.
But yeah, next time will probably be pressure washing and then core support and getting a good chunk of this engine stuff off. And then it'll be frame and a block basically after that. And
Taper up, and then wow, look at all this. I mean, that's disgusting.
and a whole lot of degreaser.
Yeah, we're gonna have to go buy a 5-gallon bucket of degreaser and then some.
She just needs a lot of cleanup and a lot of pressure washing and
She needs some love.
whole new exhaust. So the plan, we just got a TIG welder, and I'm gonna completely redo the whole piping kit on this. Everything. None of this is gonna be the same. Besides maybe, no, because he's gonna get a Banks twin ram, so that's gone as well.
Twin
So,
ram that.
Banks twin ram. I'll be making the intercooler pipe from here to here. We're gonna do a second gen intercooler, the exact same style that's on mine. Second gen intercooler on this, and then I'm gonna fab up all new intercooler piping, all new charge piping, exhaust piping, and exhaust to like probably to here, and then we'll get a new piece of exhaust or a new exhaust that attaches right here and where mine will basically slip in and it'll go out the back. So lots of good content to come on this, lots of work, lots of more in-depth versus us just pulling a cab.
It's about the vision, not what it is right now, right?
The drain pipe for this big charger goes through the frame.
Custom.
So it's going to be AN everything, heater hoses AN, freaking turbo lines AN, fuel lines AN.
Mount the fast on a better
Yeah,
spot
we're
up
going to
here.
probably move it somewhere. The exhaust runs through here, so we're going to have to figure that out. But we'll get a one-piece drive shaft, like the Mega Slabs, so we don't have to deal with
Carrier bearing.
3 U-joints and a carrier bearing. Just a single piece, one and done. Yeah, it's going to be a whole new rig. Give us 5-6 months.
5-6 months, get the stuff back from paint, hopefully.
Paint and powder.
Paint and powder.
Lots of love she needs. So, same shot, same angle. Cab's now gone.
No, I mean, the frame looks like it's in decent shape. I don't see any major issues, like no cracks or, problems with the frame. So we get her cleaned up, painted, get everything degreased and sprayed off. She'll clean up nice, I think.
Lots to come. Probably one or two more teardown videos. Probably one more teardown video. It'll be like the front end, engine, stuff like that. Pops just had a bug fly into his ear. One more teardown, and then Pops needs to start ordering some parts and pressure washing. Pressure washing is going to be a video probably in itself.
Right, yeah,
There's a lot.
But we'll get the wiring
off so that we don't ruin any of the electrical connections, pressure wash, get this whole thing hopefully cleaner so when we work on it, our hands aren't disgusting. So thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for episode number 3.
Yes.
It'll be right after this. I don't think we have anything else planned until November for another rig that'll be over here. But yeah. Take care of 12 outs.
Progress.
Peace.